Me and Tesco want to help you guys get more veggies into your life in style. We're going to do beautiful stuffed mushrooms. So delicious, so tasty. This is a brilliant brunch, lunch, an amazing centre for a Christmas meal with all the other trimmings, and even a great side dish. So guys, let me show you how to prep these mushrooms. I'm literally going to go into it. See this little stalk here? Just give it a little wiggle and a wobble, and that comes straight out. Put that down, and then this is the best bit. Sit back, relax, and we're gonna peel the mushroom. It's like, you know, popping those little bubbles you get in the post. Now, interestingly, by doing this, we're also exposing this lovely white flesh, and that's gonna help absorb flavor. And little pools of juice will come in here. And by baking this now, it's gonna make this beautiful mushroom go really nutty. Okay, so they're all peeled, ready to go. Look at those. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven with nothing on it at all. By putting it in the oven and baking it for 15 minutes, it's gonna amplify its juiciness and its nuttiness. So we'll get that in. Now let's do the stuffing. Put all these stalks and peelings to the side. Nothing's gonna go to waste. Put a pan on a medium heat, a couple of tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna get 2 cloves of garlic. Finely slice. That will start gently frying nicely. I'll get some thyme in, just pull it off the tips. The smell of the garlic and the thyme is an absolute game changer. So 2 onions, and finely slice these. Get all of that lovely onion in there. Let that just sweat off for like 10 minutes to soften up and get sweet. Okay, a little swig of vinegar, just a little tablespoon. Cook it away, and then you get this very delicate sweet and sour, which I love, absolutely love. And then a great spice for this festive time of year is nutmeg. Half a nutmeg in there. Okay, peelings. We will waste none of this, so we're just gonna finely chop it until it's nice and fine. In we go with that. The flavor and nutrition of those peelings and stalk is amazing. So, spinach, 2 bags. And that might seem like over the top, but it's gonna cook down. Look at the color, amazing. You might see some little pools of water coming out, just cook it out. So 5 minutes, just to kind of make it really intense and green and delicious. So that's gonna go in the mushroom. And then on top of that, we're gonna do the best sprinkle ever. 3 ingredients are gonna work beautifully together to give you maximum flavor. So I've got some breadcrumbs here, just 2 slices of bread, any bread will do. To make that taste extraordinary, we're gonna use hazelnuts. So just a handful, 50 grams, just crack and smash up the nuts. You know, you're gonna get more flavor. And then, favourite ingredient at the moment, certainly for my family, halloumi. But you could use a feta as well. And to be honest, you could use a cheddar if you want to. So whatever cheese you love. I'm gonna use a nice cheese grater, around about 50 grams into our little crumble. Mix this up, and this is the most delicious, crunchy topping. And that is gonna be so, so tasty. So, if we have a look at the mushrooms now, the outsides have gone nutty and delicious. Have a look on the inside. It's like this amazing, natural, clear mushroom broth. It's full of flavor. And what we can do is just pour that into our spinach, right? So we won't lose any flavor. Look at the color of it. So that is like better than any stock cube, I'm telling you. Mix that into your gorgeous spinach, and then pile this spinach back into these gorgeous mushrooms. This is a rustic dish, so don't stress about anything. As much as this is a great veggie and possibly a vegan dish if you take out the cheese, it's also amazing next to a beautiful steak or some roast chicken. Really, really good. Now, it's crumble time. So let's get that sprinkled on a nice little pile on top of there. Beautiful. What's really nice about the breadcrumbs is, of course, they'll go crispy, but they'll also suck up the excess moisture from the mushrooms and the stuffing. So look, now, we could do that the day before, let it cool down, pop it in the fridge, or now it goes in the oven for about 15 minutes until it's crisp, golden, and delicious. Okay, so it's smelling delicious. Let's have a little look. Yes, come on. Absolutely beautiful. If you wanted to make that into a brunch, at this point, I love to like crack eggs in here, pop it back in the oven for a couple of minutes, and just coddle the eggs with toasts. Beautiful. If you want to do a lovely little warm salad, make a nice dressing, then serve that with a lovely mushroom on top. So good. Look at that. And if I just go through, look at that. So sumptuous. Come on. The crunchy bits. So let's have a little try. It's going to be hot, but... I love that. The mushroom is hearty. The flavors, come on. It's a combo. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get down to Tesco, get the ingredients, and have a little cook up. I know you're gonna love it.